My little baby is 4 months already. Ah, hello. Hi guys, welcome to Mom Planet. This is Arya's 4 months update video. Rolling over, sitting up, laughing, so many development milestones. In this video, I'm going to talk about Arya's 4 months update. So keep watching if you are interested to see our routine at 4 months old. She wakes up so happy in the morning. She just loves her morning cuddles and loves talking to her mama. I put her down at around 9 p.m. in the night and she sleeps throughout the night. She just wakes up only once around 4 a.m. For her feed and then goes back to sleep and then finally wakes up around 6:37 in the morning. Of this month is Arya has started rolling over. Yay! We were trying to teach her how to roll over since she was 3 months old, and suddenly just few days before her 4-month birthday she rolled over from back to her belly, and since then she has not stopped. She really enjoys rolling over. As soon as I put her on any surface, before I know she's already on her tummy. So I keep rolling her back and she keeps rolling to her tummy whole day long. Arya has started touching and holding things now. As she can see different colors and objects now, she is fascinated by every little objects around her. She loves holding her toys and rattles and trying to reach out for them, even though she is not quite able to move around properly yet. But still, she tries her best to reach out. It's really funny to watch her kicking her little legs and trying to push herself forward. Arya loves sitting up. She just hates lying around. So even if you touch her hand slightly, she takes that support and tries to push herself forward in sitting position. So another big milestone achieved this month is Arya has started laughing now. Is the cutest thing. She's a smiley little baby and always lights up just by looking at us. It's so much fun just to watch her laughing and smiling now. Arya has probably started teething already. It might be little too early for her, but the process has definitely started. cause she's drooling all the time and puts her hands and fingers in the mouth. It's really hard to watch her suffer like this. So I have ordered a few teething toys. Hopefully those will help with the teething pain. We have started taking Arya out and about as the weather is getting nice and sunny. Initially, she hated to be in her pram, but now she seems to enjoy her ride. But she really loves moving around in a sling with her dad, cause she can see and observe everything around her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys again in few days with brand new content. Please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to subscribe and leave me a comment below saying hi because I always love hearing from you guys.